How to install the drip tray and 32oz dispenser on a floor stand. Please note that the solution bag must only be installed after the stand is placed in its final location. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the mounting plate attached to the front of the floor stand. Mount the drip tray to the front of the floor stand using the screws from the floor stand. It is important to note that you use the original screws from the floor stand when mounting the drip tray. Mount the dispenser normally using the drip tray as the new mounting plate. How to install the 32oz dispenser on a floor stand without a drip tray. Please note that the solution bag must only be installed after the stand is placed in its final location. Remove the mounting plate from the back of the dispenser. Gently pull the mounting plate tab away from the dispenser and pull down on the mounting plate to remove it. Slide the dispenser onto the mounting plate that is attached to the floor stand. Press down until the dispenser snaps into place. If the dispenser is difficult to press down, make sure that the grooves of the dispenser are properly aligned with the grooves of the mounting plate.